How to remove TikTok profile picture. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your TikTok profile picture, how you can actually remove it to a white picture or a simple black one. How to do that? It's really easy. What you guys need to do is simply open up TikTok on your mobile phone, or if you use it on laptop, but I doubt that. So you can just simply open it up and it will open up your For You page for you. But we need to go to our profile right here. So this is my profile and I want to change my profile picture, let's just say, and I want to remove it. I don't want any picture right here. So in order to do that, what you can do is you can click on Edit Profile, and now we will click on Change Photo. It will open up a bunch of different options. For me, we have Take Photo, Select from Gallery, and View Photo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a photo and I'll show you how we can actually set up a simple black picture. So just click on Take Photo and it will open up your camera for you. And you just need to, cover your camera and take a picture. Now I have a simple black picture. I'm going to just, select it, and then we can crop it if we want. So just click on Save. Once you click on Save, then your new photo will be added and you can see now it's a simple black picture. Now when it comes to like removing a picture completely, this is the way we can do this. And if you want to go with a simple white one, you can just download a white simple picture from Google and then upload it right here, and you can see there is no profile picture on my TikTok account. And this is how you can also go ahead and remove a TikTok profile picture. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.